on how aroma can influence decision making. $1999, I was building a subdivision in San Jose, California, right off a Capitol Expressway and a street called Center with an S, S-E-N-T-E-R. There was a middle school there called SYLVANDALE Middle School, and I was building right behind SYLVANDALE Middle School. The middle school there, the school district, was land banking property. They didn't realize that's what they were doing, but they were land banking property. It was an open field. And then eventually the school district figured out how valuable that field was, and they sold it off to a developer, and I was hired to build this project. Well, so we're starting sales in like December, right after Thanksgiving. We've got 25 homes to sell. And gosh, nobody showed up. I think we spent $5,000 or $7,000 in advertisements in the San Jose Merc News, trying to get people out to the subdivision to take a look, and we were just, there was no one showing up. So my broker said, and he specialized in new home sales, he said, let's close down. Let's wait until after the Super Bowl. No one's coming into Christmas, the holidays, let's just wait till after the Super Bowl, we'll open back up. I thought, my goodness, the Super Bowl, when's that? I look, it's into January sometime. I'm like, no way. I said, let's offer lunch this weekend. So we ran an ad and we said, come by for free lunch. We had sandwiches and drinks and whatnot. And people showed up, nobody bought. But my salesperson said, the good thing about it is I was able to visit with people because they didn't want to eat and run. They hung around and we visited. And I thought, oh, all right, I got it. So the next week, what we did is I contacted Otis Spugmeyer Cookies, the cookie company, and I bought an oven from them. Or maybe I rented the oven. Yeah, I think I rented the oven and bought the cookie dough from them. And then we bought a candle that smelled like a cookie. And when a customer would come in, the realtor would say, because it smelled like cookies, the realtor would say, we got some cookies going, why don't you take a walk through the models, and I'll see you when you come back. She'd throw in some cookies real quick. By the time they came back, there were hot, delicious cookies. Now, most of our buyers, English was a second language. As a matter of fact, the school nearby, I don't remember how we found this out, but the school nearby, SYLVANDALE Middle School, they had like 30 languages spoken in that school, or their students, native languages, there were 30 of them represented. Wow. So just about everybody, English was a second language that was coming through our subdivisions. But everybody spoke cookie. And we were sold out, all 25 homes, by Super Bowl Sunday. And it was a success. As a matter of fact, it made the paper, not the Merc News, but it was a newspaper out of Texas, wrote an article on how aroma can influence decision making. And it talked about the subdivision. And that's how we sold out Meadow Vista Cottages in San Jose, California in 1999. That's today's story. See you next time.